Hello there, welcome back to the channel. If your Samsung TV YouTube app is giving you a black screen, don't worry. I've got 5 quick tips that easily solve the problem in minutes. So let's jump in. First, try closing and reopening the YouTube app. Use the back button or home button to exit, then relaunch it. If it doesn't work, power cycle your TV, turn it off. Unplug it for 30 seconds, then plug it back in and turn it on. This refreshes the system. Next, check for software updates. Go to settings, then go to support, software update, then update now. An outdated system can cause app glitches. Still not working? Then try reinstall the YouTube app. Go to apps, settings, YouTube, delete, and then reinstall it from the App Store. As a last resort, uh, reset the Smart Hub. Go to settings, support, device care, and self-diagnosis, and reset the Smart Hub. This will log you out of all apps, but it often fixes persistent issues. That's it. One of the should fix the YouTube black screen on your Samsung TV. If it worked, give this video a like and don't forget to subscribe for more quick tech tips. See you next time.